Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs, welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a 32-inch LG LED TV. Model 32LF560B. It's not turning on and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to repair it. If you are new to this channel and found it informative, why not consider subscribing for more great content? And make sure to like and ring the notification bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
Yung mga miyembro nyo ho, i-agitated ho sa inyo. Pang sarili nyo lang ho iniisip niya. Hindi yung kanya mga...
The TV is not turning on, so let's check the voltages. We can measure the voltages from these rectifier diode cathodes. The cathode of this diode is 153 volts, and the other is 216 volts. They are probably the backlight supply. The diode with the heatsink is 13.27 volts. Seems the voltages is normal. The voltages are normal but no light indicator. Let's check the panel using a flashlight. As you can see, it has a raster. So the TV is turning on but no backlight and no light indicator. Let's first repair the light indicator. The TV will still function without the indicator, but it is essential to fix it to indicate whether it is in standby or on. The IR sensor P-jog switch power button is completely rusted. I hope the other component is still okay. Let's test the LED light. It's lighting up so very dim. I think the LED is defective. Let's spray some WD-40 to loosen the corrosion a bit. I have an IR sensor P-jog switch power button with an LED light. Let's test the LED light. The LED is very bright. Let's replace the LED bulb. We will get the LED to the other IR sensor P-jog switch power button. Remove the LED using hot air. This is the anode and this is the cathode. I believe it's easier to solder the LED using a soldering iron. The LED bulb is illuminating now. Let's fix now the backlight. Fixing the backlight is very delicate. You could damage the panel if you don't remove it very carefully. Some of the diffusers are falling off. This plastic clip is becoming brittle and may break if you try to remove it. Let's just break them anyway. Let's test the LED bulbs. Only 2 LEDs are defective. I inquired with the customer to confirm whether all of the LED bulbs would be replaced. The customer stated that only the defective LED will be replaced. I explained the pros and cons, and the customer understood. It is expensive to replace all, and the customer doesn't have enough money. So we will only replace the defective. I recommend replacing all the LED bulbs. To prevent back jobs, we will use a concave diffuser lens factory cut LED. Let's connect the LEDs. The LEDs are illuminating now. Let's reattach the diffuser lenses with glue.
chicks, umuntang ako kaya nakabili ako ng sasakyan. Kasi yung iba natin mga kilalang mga vlogger, tapos yung mga nakikita natin ibang vlogger. Bakit ganun? Lagi sila nakasasakyan?
Let's carefully place back the LCD panel. The TV seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. You can help this channel by subscribing and liking. Ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.